Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 830. Here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every single day. If you aren't familiar with Cash App, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. So I have $4,450 of Bitcoin in my wallet. Bitcoin price is currently $51,250, up about 2% today, down about 12% over the past week. We did see a dip. I think it was down to like 46,000 or so, down 18% on the month, up 437% on the year. But if we look at the chart, we're pretty much just going sideways since like February. So I know people get very shook by these moves from like 60,000 down to 50,000, but in reality, like, that's just gonna happen and we're moving sideways here, which isn't a bad thing considering that we went up so fast in this zone right here. If that's where we're at, just gonna keep dollar cost averaging, keep buying. Let's take a look at the news here. Elon Musk is the most interesting thing. I think people are just way too influenced by what that dude says. Like, he'll say something about a coin and then it just pumps or it dumps. I'm just like, oh my god, just ignore this guy. Like, we don't need institutions or any of this stuff for crypto or Bitcoin to be successful. It's inevitable that it happens in the long run, so just ignore this guy, man. Just need to like not take what he says so seriously. Part of it is that he just knows he has so much influence that he just goes on here for fun and says random stuff to see what will happen with the market. Kind of annoying, but I mean, if you're a billionaire, what else do you have to do? Who knows? Bitcoin owned 0.08684237, slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin there. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's gonna give us our order details, tap confirm. And just like that, we've purchased more Bitcoin for today. So now we can check Bitcoin owned 0.0868126. So let's do the math on this. $4,461, 4461 divided by 830 days equals a 5.37x on our investment. So what that means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $5.37. And that's the story of dollar cost averaging Bitcoin for 830 days in a row. Gonna continue to do this until the end of time. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see the updates for this series every Friday. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.